Hi everyone, myself Renu Bansal, your maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you second chapter of class second maths, and today our topic is addition. So let's start the chapter. So students, today we will learn addition of two-digit numbers. So in previous class I told you what is addition, how to add one-digit numbers. So students, here we have two-digit numbers. Today we will learn how to add two-digit numbers. So first, before starting the addition, we will arrange these numbers in a place value chart. First of all, we will write place value ones, tens. Then we write these numbers below the ones and tens place. So here we have 53. We write 3 below ones place, 1 below ones and 5 below tens. Then we will write 32 here. We will write 2 below ones place, ones and 3 below tens. And after writing these numbers, we will put the sign of addition. So numbers, students, numbers we add, these are called addends. Numbers we add, the numbers to be added are called addends. Students, we always start addition from ones place. At ones place we have 3 and 2. So we will add these numbers first. Now 3 plus 2, 5 means we count 2 numbers forward after 3. 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5 here. Now next is 5 and 3. At tens place we have 5 and 3. So we have 5 here. After 5 we count 3 numbers forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. We will write 8 below tens place, below tens. So now we get, which number we get now? 85. This is the answer. And after addition, the result it is called sum. These numbers are addends and the result is always called sum. So students, in this way you can add two digits numbers. So now we will learn addition of two digit numbers with regrouping. So regrouping means arranging numbers. When the number of ones is more than 9, they are regrouped to the two tens and ones. So students, now we will learn addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Here we have two numbers. First of all, we will write these numbers in a place value chart. So we will write here tens and ones. Here we have 37. We write 3 below tens and 7 below ones. Next number is 15. We will write 1 below tens and 5 below ones. Now we will add these numbers. We will put the sign of addition. These are addends here. These numbers are addends here. So now we will start addition from ones place. At ones place we have 7 and 5. So we have 7 and 5. Now we will count after 7 5 numbers forward. After 7 we will count 5 numbers forward. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we get 12 here. When we add 7 and 5, we get 12 here. So at ones place we have 12 now. 12 means we have 1 10 and plus 2 ones. Means we have 10 one time and 1 two time. So we will write 2 below ones and 1 10 will be carry over to tens place. Will be carry over to tens place. So now we will add tens place numbers, tens place digits. So here we have 3 tens and 1 tens. 1 10. So 3 tens and 1 10 means 4 tens, and we have 1 10 carried over. So we will add this also. So 3 tens plus 1 10, 4 tens, and plus 1 10 again, 5 tens. So we write 5 under tens place. So in this way, when we add 37 and 15, we get 52. So students, in this way you can add the numbers with regrouping. So students, I think you understood very well how to add two number digits with regrouping and without regrouping. So do practice of it. Now it is time for homework. This is your today's homework. It is page number 29 in your maths book, and this is your exercise 2.1. You will complete this question at the following. You will complete first and second question. So students, do practice. Now we will discuss the homework which I gave you in last class, in previous class which I gave you. So this is our homework. It is on page number 25. So let's do it. First question is already done. Now start from the second question. Here we will add 8 and 7. So here we have 8 on number line. So we will jump 7 more steps from 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are at 15. So our answer is, when we add 8 and 7, what is the answer? 15. Now come to the next. Now we will add 4 and 6. Here we have 4. We will jump 6 more steps. From 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are at 10. Our answer is 10. Now 4 plus 6, 10. Now come to the next. Now here we have 10 plus 3. Here is 10 on number line. We will jump 3 more steps. 1, 2, 3 means now we are at 13. So our answer is 13. So in this way you can add these numbers on number line. Come to the next question. I gave you this question. Add the following by counting forward. So 54 plus 2, 56. 54 means we have to count two numbers forward. 54, 55, 56. So answer is 56. 48 plus 1, 49. 36 plus 4, 40. 89 plus 3, 92. In this way you will complete this remaining parts of this question. In this way you will complete the remaining part of this question. So friends, now complete today's homework. Carefully do practice of addition of 2-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping.